Hey guys, we're in the middle of moving right now. We're going back and forth, moving cars, moving products around to get the shop ready to start working. Right now we're on our way to pick up Vic. I believe he took a car there, and now I'm going to go pick him up. And I can't even get into the shop. It's already full. I know it's like employees working right now, but we've been here for like 10 minutes. We're already working on cars.
That car?
Yeah, we're already removing the wrap. And there's nobody here. We're not even open yet. And we're already working on cars. That's how bad we needed the spot. And he doesn't seem too happy. But let's see if he's happy or sad. Oh, you're good?
Yeah.
All right. Very.
Setting up a new shop is very fun, especially when you have 1 week to do it.
Yeah, put it right there. We don't have to rush with this. I told him.
He's camera shy today.
Busy with it.
Yeah, he's a busy guy. Nice shirt, man.
Yeah, I like it.
So yeah, obviously one of my best friends, Mo Shalizi, right here with this Maybach. This is the first Maybach we ever did, and it's still honestly really crazy. We're doing another Maybach currently right next to it. But yeah, we figured out how to light up those side emblems, the factory emblems on the sides. They only light up when you lock and unlock, so we rewired them to turn on with the ignition. So now all 3 lights are on fully, the 2 sides and the back, so it looks crazy at night. That's all it was missing, honestly. And we did some maintenance work on his tires, but that's it. That Maybach is still one of my favorites. Let's go pan onto this one, check it out, what we're doing with this. As you see the emblems out, this is a full black car that we're also doing a 2-tone look, but we're not gonna do the traditional satin black. We're actually doing this. This is a satin titanium chrome. So technically, it's kind of like a smoked chrome. We're gonna do the whole top half of it that color. It's gonna match the lip of the wheels that we're putting on. We're gonna do a blackout on the rest of it. We're gonna lower it. This one is also getting a Brabus trunk spoiler, a little aggressive. This should look cool. So a lot more to go on this. But yeah, another Maybach getting all spiced up by RDB.
Isn't there any other room you guys can go sit? Go sit in his room.
No.
It takes me months to make it nice. You f***ed everything up.
How is it f***ed up? Open it. It's perfect the way
you
it
guys
was.
are slobs, and I don't want my office to be a slob office.
Okay, did you fix it? Fix
No.
it nicely?
You guys have Dorito packs on your desks.
Okay, did you fix it? Fix it nicely? Let me know when you're done.
Be more like Sarkis.
I can't. He's a fucking slob.
Are you
Look at
done? Are you
Look at
done?
my desk. Come.
He's a pig. Look at that.
Look at my desk. And look at his desk.
Oh, yours is way cleaner.
And he's the pig.
Yeah, so it is a Monday today. I'm very annoyed and very stressed out today. A lot of things are not going right. It's not always smooth and fun. There's a lot of crazy times and hard times that we go through. Today is one of them. So we're trying to do a lot of repairs, and it's hard to control everything all at the same time. So we accidentally put the letter E backwards. It's pretty bad. I mean, it happens. It's not supposed to happen, but it happens. What can you do? Is there an E in Porsche? Yeah, it's all connected. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. We messed up. I don't know what happened. So that's exactly why I'm stressed out and very annoyed of today. I want to go home, relax, and have a drink.
So, final touches on this Maybach. Obviously, we're doing different stuff here, different themes nobody has done before. For example, we wrapped the top of that roof the same color to do two-tone look, and we didn't like it, so we took it off so it gets that whole black uniform look on the top. It looks cleaner, so we're gonna leave the one in the back, looks good, but yeah, we're gonna clean this up and go film it because this is one of the baddest Maybachs we've done. We've done a few of the new ones. This one is really, really nice. Again, we've had several copies of the ones we've done, but we always like to one-up ourselves, and this is, in my opinion, another one-up without destroying this car and making it look weird. This looks incredible, so we're gonna go out and show you guys how crazy this thing looks. Another new Maybach. We've done, I don't know, 5, 6 of them now. More probably. We've done a lot of two-tones. We did Mo's satin black one. People love that one with the RDB signature wheels. This customer, Thatch, he is responsible for that crazy Rolls-Royce Ghost that we just did. The Novatec kit. Also, we did that crazy Bentley Flying Spur 4-door matte black that was very famous. Now we're doing this Maybach that he got as for fun. We didn't want to copy the satin black theme. This one is unique. This one is super unique because we did a satin titanium chrome on the top to match the crazy RDB wheels.
Satin gray.
It looks kind of satin gray, but it has like this shine to it. The chrome foil. So by Hexus. Hexus makes some amazing vinyl, and this is a really cool color by Hexus. We did black on the rest of the emblems. We did RDB wheels with a polished smoked lip that matches the wrap. That was the whole thing, to try to make the theme the same color. Red brakes, lowered it. It has a Brabus wing on the back, which is, I've never seen that on a Maybach before. So Brabus wing.
It will match or no? Like the car doesn't have a Brabus and you just put a Brabus.
It works. I was a little bit scared, but it works really well actually. So it's got that
something
lowered,
new to try.
And obviously the light up Maybach emblems on the side.
The only
and the
thing
back.
that sucks in this one doesn't have like the skylight. Starlight.
You mean Starlight? Well, it has the big 2 glass roofs.
Is
But
it,
the Starlight is a Rolls Royce thing. It's not a Maybach thing. Some people are putting stars in this, but like it's ugly because it just goes around it. It's like it looks tacky. So this is over 200 grand. They're asking $100,000 over sticker. Yeah. The dashboard is 3D.
I think this one and the basic S-Class is the same, no?
No, man, this thing,
different?
better sound system, it's longer, more luxury. The back, look at the back, man. What are you talking about?
It is.
Sick.
I say it's more longer.
Look at the lights everywhere, man.
I think the base
So
one has
crazy.
it too, no?
There's lights in the ceiling, other type of lights, obviously.
Okay, which one will you pick? This one or the
This
new
car is
Ghost?
200 miles, by the way.
Okay, which one you pick? This one or the Ghost?
I don't know, man. We just got 2 Tempest Gray Ghosts inside right now.
The blue
They're
one is
sick.
crazy inside.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
crazy color.
Yeah, very sick. So,
And the car is like 20 miles.
yeah,
Did you
brand new
notice it?
car, and it's a black badge. It's
I
a black
didn't-
badge Ghost. The new black badge Ghost.
I didn't notice.
That's no joke, man. That car, you know what the sticker is?
It was.
$416,000.
But it will be a markup there, no?
I think he got it for sticker because
He's lucky.
he had another Ghost too that we did, a white one.
And someone is honking. It's a Toyota Corolla.
It's okay. We're filming. They could relax.
Yeah, but we're going like 35.
I know. I'm going above speed limit. Look at this guy. He's on the opposite side of the street.
And it's a Toyota Corolla.
Wow.
Half of the car is missing too.
Oh yeah, and we're on the way to the new location, which we're doing this all the time now. We're gonna go pick up this Cullinan that's there because the customer's coming. But yeah, so we're killing multiple birds with one stone. Filming, picking up a Cullinan, and I don't know why you're in the car.
So we did the emblems. The emblem didn't work last second. Is that sure or no? Just be honest.
This emblem last minute didn't work.
Yes.
Well,
We did a new
but,
one.
okay, Mercedes-Benz, thank you for sending me a defective light up emblem, first of all.
That's
And
what-
secondly, luckily we bought a lot of them and we
Yeah.
had spares because you have to anticipate this problem. So you don't have to call the customer and be like, hey, the emblem came
We
defective,
had
you have
extra.
to wait another week.
And last minute,
blah, blah,
Body
blah.
Shop was the one who was painting those emblems.
The body shop painted it, and guess who installed it real fast?
Body Shop.
This car is so smooth. We're going over bumps with 22-inch wheels.
I think I like the Golf new Ghost better than the like people. They will think this is a new S class. They're not gonna think this is a Maybach because the Ghost. It's a Ghost.
I get it, but it's also double the price.